Alright, this is an original Curious George book. Curious George rides a bike, where Curious George gets the gift of a bike, then gets the gift of delivering newspapers, which he promptly doesn't complete and heads to the creek or river and starts making paper boats out of them. Now, Curious George Rides a Bike was also made into a episode of the modern TV show, and this is more or less where they kept the plot. They kept it about him not doing his job and having to deal with the consequences of that. In this book, there's a full-on carnival that sees George riding his beat-up bike. They take him away. They put him to work playing a trumpet, and then he almost kills an ostrich by choking the heck out of it with the trumpet. Then he still gets to perform in the show after he rescues a baby bear, all in the course of a day's work for a monkey, I guess. And then everybody is super happy to see him at the show. So this is another example of how just all over the place these early Curious George books were, and how the newer TV shows are a lot more focused. So this one's actually all right. So yeah, I would recommend it. But I think if you watch enough of my Curious George videos, I'm not a huge fan. But yeah, this one's okay.